What's up everybody, it's Michael Bilal, and let's be real, who doesn't want an extra $100 every single day? Did you know you can make that happen using AI tools even if you have zero skills? I'm talking about making money online, and today, I'm breaking down exactly how to get started. We're exploring the world of AI, from ChatGPT to MidJourney, and trust me, this is going to be huge. Alright guys, first up, we're diving into the world of freelancing with AI. Imagine this, you wake up, grab your coffee, and work from anywhere in the world. That's the beauty of freelancing, and AI tools are here to supercharge your journey. Think about it. You can offer services like writing killer blog posts, designing eye-catching graphics, or even editing videos, all using the power of AI. We're talking ChatGPT for writing that flows like butter, Canva for graphics that pop, and Pictory to make video editing a breeze. And the best part? Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are like your digital marketplaces, connecting you with clients who are ready to pay for your AI-powered skills. We're talking $20, $50, even more per project, and as you crush it, you can scale up and watch the money roll in. Remember those days of grinding away at a 9-to-5? Well, with AI freelancing, you're the boss, setting your own hours and rates. It's time to unleash your inner entrepreneur, guys. Let's turn those AI skills into serious cash. Yo, have you ever wished you could create mind-blowing art even if you couldn't draw a straight line? Well, get this, AI is about to make you the next Picasso. We're talking about AI art generators like MidJourney and DALL-E, where you literally type in what you want to see, and boom, AI creates it for you. Imagine, stunning landscapes, abstract masterpieces, even crazy realistic portraits all generated with a few clicks. But here's where it gets really interesting. You can sell these AI masterpieces online and make some serious bank. Platforms like Etsy and Redbubble are perfect for this. Think about it. People are always searching for unique art prints, t-shirts with cool designs, and mugs that stand out from the crowd. That's where you come in, selling your AI-generated art for $10, $50, even more per piece. The sky's the limit, and the best part is, you don't need to be a tech wizard to make this happen. AI is your creative partner in crime, and together you're about to turn your artistic vision into a money-making machine. Chapter 3. Alright guys, ever thought about sharing your knowledge with the world and getting paid for it? Well, buckle up because AI is about to make you the star of your own online course. We're talking about creating and selling courses that teach others how to harness the power of AI, and trust me, this is a game changer. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy are your go-tos for hosting your courses, and the best part, you don't need to be an AI expert to get started. Remember ChatGPT, our AI writing buddy? It can help you create amazing course content that's clear, engaging, and packed with value. Think about it. You can teach people how to use AI for writing, graphic design, video editing, you name it. And the earning potential is insane. We're talking $50, $100, even $200 or more per course sale. Plus, you can leverage the power of affiliate marketing, promoting other AI tools within your course and earning commissions on every sale. It's like a double whammy of income. So if you're ready to share your knowledge, inspire others, and build a thriving online business, AI course creation is your golden ticket. Chapter 4. Yo, let's talk about one of my favorite ways to make money: online affiliate marketing. It's all about promoting awesome products and earning a commission on every sale you drive. And guess what? AI tools are about to take your affiliate game to the next level. We're talking about promoting cutting-edge AI tools like Jasper AI for supercharged writing, Copy.ai for attention-grabbing copywriting, or Surfer SEO for dominating the search results. These tools are in high demand and people are eager to get their hands on them. That's where you come in, my friend. By sharing your unique affiliate links on your YouTube channel, blog, social media, or even with your email list, you're connecting your audience with powerful solutions and earning sweet commissions in the process. We're talking $20, $50, even $100 or more per sale, all while providing value to your audience. It's a win-win. So, if you're ready to turn your online presence into a money-making machine, AI affiliate marketing is the way to go. Chapter 5. Alright guys, in the world of online business, time is money, right? Well, get ready to unlock the power of AI automation and watch your business soar while you kick back and relax. Imagine this, your online store is running smoothly, orders are being processed, and social media posts are going live like clockwork, all thanks to the magic of AI. That's the power of tools like Zapier, your automation superhero, connecting all your favorite apps and automating those repetitive tasks that used to eat up your precious time. We're talking about automating your e-commerce empire with Shopify, scheduling social media posts like a pro with Hootsuite, and so much more. And the best part? AI automation frees up your time and mental energy so you can focus on what really matters, growing your business and crushing your goals. Whether you're running a dropshipping store, selling digital products, or offering services online, AI automation is your secret weapon to maximize efficiency and skyrocket your income. We're talking about the potential to earn $500, $1,000, even $5,000 or more per month, all while working smarter, not harder. It's time to embrace the future of online business and let AI do the heavy lifting. So there you have it, guys. 5 incredible ways to leverage the power of AI and start earning some serious cash online. Remember, AI is the future, and the sooner you jump on board, the sooner you'll start seeing those dollar signs rolling in. Whether you're freelancing with AI, selling your own AI-generated art, creating killer courses, crushing it with affiliate marketing, or automating your entire business, the possibilities are limitless. So, what are you waiting for? Take action, experiment, and watch as AI transforms your online earning potential. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.